Hey everyone, this is Brian from Vance & Hines, and as you can see behind me, we've got a Navi on the lift, and today we're going to install the reworked version of the Navi Upsweep exhaust. Get this unboxed.
So the Navi Upsweep exhaust has been updated and gone through a few changes. First of all, we've increased the wall thickness of the tubing for more rigidity, and on top of that, we've improved the weld a bit as well. We put over 2,000 miles on road with this exhaust system, following the torque specifications, and everything is rock solid.
First step would be to get the grommet into the hole. It's a pretty simple installation, so these two nuts go to the exhaust flange studs. These two bits of hardware and washers are going to hold the bracket to the frame through the grommet here. And then these two guys go from the back muffler support and support the back there. So the bracket will come out here. They'll get bolted into the bottom with the muffler on the top. You don't have a lot of space to work with. There's a gap, so you basically have to thread it through the gap and then line it up with the two studs. I'm not sure if we can see them here. So once it's on, you can actually let go. All right, so now that we have the pipe loosely in place, we're gonna go ahead and torque everything and verify with torque wrenches. So the first torque setting up at the head with the flange, those are 10 foot-pounds. You're looking at 4 foot-pounds for the muffler hardware to the bracket and 30 foot-pounds for the bracket down to the case. So let's go ahead and get everything tightened up. And that's it. The pipe is now fully installed.